Here are 3 good reasons to attend the challenge days, whether you come to Frankfurt, to Munich or Chicago or Phoenix to one of the events. The first main reason is it's a hands-on experience. So you will not only see PowerPoints, you get the chance to actually touch the keyboard and really experience what it is to work like with VCF, NSX and some of the other challenges we put in there. It's also for different levels of people so that you can actually follow along depending on whether you need more like a transcript manual or you want to actually go for the challenge. Second is every one of these events is run by at least 2 of comdivision architects. So whatever questions and scenarios you bring to the event, we can help you actually fully understand the consequences out of it and give you guidance on how you should actually evolve your infrastructure. And third, it's a networking event because you can actually get together with all your colleagues from the industry to learn about their challenges, how they solve them, and how they operate this. So I think these are 3 very good reasons to join us for the challenge days. You will find a link below the video on how you can join any one of the events. Frankfurt is just around the corner, Chicago end of October, and then we have November and December from Munich and Phoenix. So hope to see you at one of these events.